These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I will try to take a couple of trades and I will explain each and every single one of my trades. I haven't really checked the market, and previous session it was a terrible market. Okay, I'm not going to take any trade on this one. Yeah, it was a very crazy market and we didn't really took some good trades. We were not able to do that, but I hope today's market is good, and I'm about to take a trade on this one. Let's go. This is my first trade. I'm expecting a rejection to the upside and close above this common point of rejection line. Common point of rejection works best in general ranging market, especially if you have range in the middle. Usually dojis work best in order to take these kind of trades, or which dependent on ranging markets. Let's see if it's going to reject. If not, I'll look for another opportunity, and yeah, we'll see. All right, I'm gonna take the screenshot real quick and put it in my journal as well. Boom, let's go. That was a beautiful win. Yeah, that was my first trade. Let's see. I'm going to look for other opportunities. All right, we're going to take this order block. Did you see that? Or yeah, it already touched, right? Oh no, I think it already touched my entry. Oh shit, yeah, it already touched my entry. Okay, so I'm entering right now. It gave me another entry. I will draw the entry point. The reason why I entered is this beautiful supply. I guess it's, yeah, it was a losing trade. Okay, this was the reason for my entry inside that supply. I thought market can reject, and I entered this little supply. And I entered because the supply is inside this little bigger supply, and this is causing a breakout, so I thought this can work, which didn't work. I will also real fast. This shit. This. Okay. Yeah. Loss. Alright, fine. We're break even. We've created a very cool page for easy access to the most important videos on this channel. Press the first link in the description. Alright, we found the QM. Let's check. Yes, we do have our time frame confirmation for this QM. We also have lower time frame entry right here. I will take my entry right on the zone, and then we should have a rejection. I really hope it doesn't go up from here. I need it to touch my entry. Okay. Yeah. We may have another entry. Yes, it's touching this entry. Okay, let me just take it. Let's go. I took one entry right here because of this entry, which can reverse the market before even coming down. And I will take another entry. There we go. Okay, I go to here. Beautiful. And I really hope I didn't take this one, but I took it, no problem. I'm pretty sure about these two, but that little one right here. Okay, that was a losing trade. The first one was a losing trade. These two were good and winning trades. So basically, when you have this pattern, this is a QM pattern. This is your QM zone. The entry should be below the QM zone. The lower the entry is, the safer it becomes. In this particular case, we got two entries. You can see that these two are also inside the body of the higher time frame confirmation, which is on 3 minutes. And in 3 minutes we see engulf, it means there's high time frame confirmation. If there was no engulf in 3 minutes, it would be no confirmation. And then in lower time frame, we'll look for small demand zones, just like this one, and we enter on them, which in this case, we got 2 of them, one in 15 seconds, which was this one. It gave a fair amount of reaction and then it dropped. And also this one, which was on 30 seconds. I usually take the first entry I see when I'm going to lower time frames. I do not dig deeper, but in this case, we did go to 15 seconds as well, and we took both of the entries. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna take a little quick screenshot here. We got 3 trades on this one, right? So one of them was 2 of them were winning trades. So I'm gonna just go with this. 2 of them winning trades and 1 loss. Is that right? Yeah. So we already took 5 trades for today, and that's my limit. I don't go more than 5 trades in a trade, and made fair amount of profit. I'm not gonna lie. It is what it is, and we don't care about the how big or small is the profit. The thing is, we have to follow our rules. Okay. On QM, taking more entries can backfire. All right. Did you make any mistakes? I did. Wait. I did? Basically, I'm going to put this here. And add to session. Yeah, I'm going to just close the session right here. I hope you enjoyed, man. If you want to use this journal, use the first link in the description. And peace out.